If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Queen Cleopatra was definitely onto something when treating herself to luxurious milk baths. Clearly, she knew its secrets way before it morphed into beauty's popular home remedy. Raw milk isn't pasteurized or heated and hence retains its natural form of an unaltered fat and protein structure. Here's how to draw out its magical powers to reap good skin. Milk's concentrated lactic acid content is what unlocks its wonder. This acid dissolves impurities under the skin's surface to give you brighter, fresher, and spotless skin. Adding 3 tablespoons of milk to 1 tablespoon of honey does the trick, as honey possesses healing properties of its own and also moisturizes the skin. Activating each other, these two work in tandem to garner the best results. Massage the mixture into your skin in light circular movements for a whole 5 minutes and then let it sit for another 5 before rinsing it off with cold water. Do this daily to celebrate good results. This lactic liquid has twofold benefits, resulting in the perfect facial toner and cleanser. Sinfully simple to use, all you have to do is pour 2 tablespoons worth of raw milk onto a cotton pad and gently rub it against your skin for around a minute. Raw milk's toning qualities come from its ability to wash impurities that cause pigmentation right out of the skin, evening out a patchy skin tone. And its colossal cleansing abilities are due to instant hydrating of the skin with natural vitamins and minerals. Splash it clean with cold water and do this daily. Nothing is worse than the patchy remains of a leftover tan. Quit struggling to bring your skin tone back to neutral because raw milk is the perfect remedy. The alpha hydroxy acid present in milk acts as a natural and beautifully mild exfoliant that lightly uproots the dead skin cells, washing them clean off. Just add the tiniest pinch of turmeric to 2 tablespoons of raw milk and apply it to your face using your fingers. Leave this on for 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water. This can be done daily to achieve those rewarding results. And that's about how to appoint raw milk as your dairy godmother to make all your beauty wishes come true. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.